using one stamp set tonight, Layering Love. I think a lot of you have this one. I love this one because I love big sentiments. I love it. Actually, all of these were great sentiments. I'm going to use the Live, Laugh, Love. And then look at this. Look at this little tiny heart. I didn't even realize that was in there. And so yes, we have a little teeny tiny heart. So that's what we're going to be working with is Layering Love. I have a piece of real red cardstock. This is cut 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches, scored at 5.5 inches. So that's going to fit in a medium-sized envelope. I have 2 pieces of Whisper White, and these are cut 4 inches by 5 1/4. We're going to be using the layering square framelits tonight. And let me tell you, the first one that I'm using, this is the largest scallop that's in the pack, okay? And to help you to know which one you need to go inside, it's the one that would kind of nest inside there, all right? I hope that makes that clear. And we're also going to be using the, oh, I just lost the name. I think it's Sweet and Sassy framelits, and this is the heart framelits. We're going to be using that tonight as well. So one more little thing you're going to need, and that is just a ribbon knot from the, I'm using the basic black shimmer because, you know, it's Valentine's. Shimmer is a good thing. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take my, my scallop square here and one of the pieces of the Whisper White. We're just going to lay that. You notice I'm leaving some space down here at the bottom, so I'm looking at the 3 edges and I want to get that lined up. We are going to run this through the Big Shot machine. Now what I want to do is add just a little dot of snail here and here. Not a lot. I'm really just tacking this down. So I want to be able to remove it, so don't go crazy with your snail. All right, let's lay that down. I'm now going to come in with the square, and you see how nice that just kind of automatically nests in there. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to run that through the Big Shot. I'm now going to gently remove this. Ooh, gently, I said, gently. So let's take this off, and then we're actually going to emboss this and make it look really pretty. So I'm going to come in with the Sweetheart embossing folder. Now, couldn't I? There's a big heart in the middle, but we don't want that heart. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this die cut white. See how that, look at that. There's the heart. So that's going to allow me to get an impression all the way around it. So let's go ahead now. We're going to work with this Whisper White. So I am going to add my snail to the back of this. And I'm going to put this on the inside of my card. So I'm going to bring in my Live, Laugh, Love and a basic black ink pad. Ink that baby up. And we're just going to put that right inside the window. I also came along with a real red ink pad. And remember I told you we had that teeny tiny little heart. Let me add a few more here. Now on this little teeny tiny guy, just tap it just like you were petting a bunny. Just don't press it too hard. But you can see we can add some fun little hearts around our Live, Laugh, Love. I've got plenty of room here to write my message. All right, let's go ahead and add our frame. I did get really heavy on the dimensionals, and here's why. When you've got a window, you kind of need to, it just needs some, what do I want? Just some reinforcement there on the sides. That's just kind of really important. All right, so now we can take our frame. Now that's all right, but I think it needs a little something. So how about we come in and use these 2 pieces. Remember, we die cut them. We might as well do something with them, right? So we're gonna come in with, like I said, those heart framelits. I just found the heart that kind of fit inside the real red. And I'm going to cut one from the red and one from the white. I'm going to do this. I'm going to come in with some of the multi-purpose glue. And I'm just going to add a little bit right here. I don't want to go crazy. But we're going to add that one heart right there. Oh, you know what? I think I should have put the white one down first. Well, that's all right. I think I can tuck it in there. We'll make it work. Let's add a little glue right there. Yeah, there we go. It tucked under just fine. But now we want to add this little bit of ribbon. So I've made this ribbon a little bit longer and I'm just folding it in half. I want the open end facing my scissors and snip. Let me come in. I'll come in with some mini glue dots That's always my favorite way. And we're gonna add that right there. I'm telling you, that is a great Valentine card. There was no Valentine in it. I just used some products that I already had. And so I think that one came out absolutely beautiful. I really do like the Wink of Stella. I gotta tell you, if you can, definitely take the time to add that Wink of Stella, because I think it kind of makes the whole card pop.